I hope you've enjoyed the slideshow showcasing our art. The hours that have gone into making these pieces is huge. In art, we can certainly see the fruits of our labour. And during lockdown, creativity has been at the heart of our routines. And I would love to share with you a poem that's been written by a veteran Japanese artist called Yayoi Kusama. She's basically taken poetry as another platform to express herself through this crisis. At the age of 92, she shows us that you can clearly express yourself in new ways regardless of your age. A message from Yayoi Kusama to the whole world. I've decided to come outside to fully embrace this poem, and I hope you can too. Though it glistens just out of reach, I continue to hope for it to just shine through. Its glimmer lighting our way, this long-awaited cosmic glow. Now that we find ourselves on the dark side of the world, the gods will be there to strengthen our hope throughout the universe. Those left behind, each person's story and that of their loved ones. It's time to seek a hymn of love for our souls. In the midst of our historic menace, a brief burst of light points to the future. Let us joyfully sing this song of a splendid future. Let's go, embracing deep love and the efforts of all people all over the world. Now is the time to overcome, to bring peace. We gathered for love, and I hope to fulfill that desire. The time has come to fight and overcome our unhappiness. To COVID-19 that stands in our way, I say disappear from earth, we shall say. We shall fight this terrible monster. Now is the time for people all over the world to stand up. My deep gratitude goes to all those that are already fighting. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and wash your hands.